Moving coil galvanometer. Moving coil galvanometer is a device that is used to detect the current. The galvanometer consists of a coil with many turns free to rotate about a fixed axis in a uniform radial magnetic field. There is a cylindrical soft iron core which not only makes the field radial but also increase the strength of the magnetic field. We know that when a current flows through a coil placed in the magnetic field, it experiences a tau given by tau is equal to NIAB sine of theta. Here the field is radial, so theta is 90 degree. So we have NIAB sine 90 degree. Sine 90 is 1, so we have NIAB. So this is the maximum tau experienced by the coil. N is the number of turns in the coil. I, current flowing in the coil. A, area of the coil, and B is the magnetic field strength of the permanent magnet. The magnetic tau NIAB tends to rotate the coil. A spring SP provides a counter tau K phi, that is counter tau that balances the magnetic tau NIAB, resulting in the steady angular deflection phi. So in equilibrium we have K phi equal to NIAB or phi equal to NAB over K I. N is constant, A is constant, B is constant, K is constant. K is the torsional constant of the spring, that is resting tau per unit twist. K is resting tau per unit twist. So it means this phi deflection is proportional to the current. So this is the principle of the galvanometer. Current sensitivity of a galvanometer, it is defined as the deflection per unit current. Now we know that deflection is NABK I. Here divided by I cancel, so that is equal to NAB over K. So this is the current sensitivity of the galvanometer. Now another term is voltage sensitivity, that is defined as the deflection per unit volt, that is equal to NABK I over V. We know that V is equal to current into resistance. Current cancel, so we have NABK 1 by R. Unit of current sensitivity is, here phi is in radian and current is in ampere, that is radian per ampere, and the unit of voltage sensitivity is radian per volt. Now on increasing current sensitivity may not increase the voltage sensitivity. To increase the current sensitivity, we increase the number of turns. Suppose we double the number of turns, then current sensitivity becomes double. here we see on increasing the number of turns twice, here voltage sensitivity we see here it becomes double. Also the length of the wire increases and it becomes double, so resistance becomes double. So to cancel here, we again get the same value of the voltage sensitivity.